Hi, my name's Megan, and we're going to be making contact paper art today. It's going to look something like this. All right, let's get started with our contact paper art. For this project, you probably are going to want to do it with your kiddo, or at least have some grown-up supervision, because there's some cutting involved, and this contact paper is really sticky, so it can get frustrating. So we're going to start with, you have scissors and your clear contact paper. I've got two pieces because you'll need one piece for the bottom and then one piece for the top to seal it. I've got some fun paper on the side here. You can use anything. And then we're gonna need tape to tape down the edges. I'm using this tape today. It's a little bit stronger, but you could use something like painter's tape too, so it comes up a little easier. And then of course, the fun doodads here that you can add and make your artwork really fun. All right, so I'm gonna start. And I started an edge with the contact paper. If you're doing this with your kiddo, that's a good thing because then they won't get frustrated when they try to peel it off. And I'm gonna put it down, sticky side up. So we're gonna tape it into place so it stays in one spot while we make our artwork. So I'm gonna put a piece of tape at the top and then another piece of tape at the bottom. You could go whole hog and tape all the edges down. For me, I'm just gonna do the top and the bottom. Okay, so now the fun part, we're gonna decorate our picture. I have these cute little flowers and I've decided I'm gonna make a monster today. And I'm gonna cut out this little flower because that's gonna be the monster body. So I'm just gonna stick it right there in the middle. So that's really fun. And then I need a monster head. So I'm just gonna kind of make a squiggly little shape here. Do this. Got my little squiggly shape, and he's gonna be a bobblehead. His head is a lot bigger than his body. That's okay. All right, then I had to make it big because I'm gonna add some googly eyes here. And the best part is, my googly eyes are sticky on the back, but I don't have to necessarily peel off the sticky part because we're gonna put that contact paper over the top so it'll hold it in place. All right, my monster's got two googly eyes, but he's a monster. I'm gonna add a third one just for fun. All right, and then I'm gonna need some arms and legs. Today, I'm gonna use ribbon. I'm gonna measure it with my heart, that feels right. I'm gonna add some legs here. I'm just gonna peel that up and stick it right under. Let's see. All right, there's one leg, there's two legs. Ooh, one's longer than the other, that's fun. Okay, and then I'm gonna take my little silvery bits here and I'm gonna cut it and add some fun arms. I'm gonna stick it right under there. Like I said, you can kind of play with whatever you want. That's the best part about the contact paper. It all kind of holds everything in place with the stickiness. I'm gonna add a heart just for fun. And then to complete my picture, I'm a little sunshine. Little sunshine, so I'm gonna cut out my yellow piece of paper here for a circle. There we go. And I'm gonna add some sun rays. So I'm just gonna cut out some little jagged lines here. And I don't want my monster to get lonely. So I'm gonna add that right there for the sun. And then I've got a really fun dolphin sticker. And I think it'd be silly to have the dolphin jumping over the sun. So you can make this really silly if you want. Okay, so the next part is kind of difficult. You're gonna take your other piece of contact paper and peel it off. I'm going to peel off my top piece here of paper, or of the tape, so that way my bottom's still in place, but I can match up the edges. So we're gonna match up the edges here. And then I'm just gonna pull it down. This is the tough part. And look, I've got some wrinkles, but that's okay. It doesn't have to be perfect, but you can help your kiddo smooth out the wrinkles. I'm kind of okay with the wrinkles. It gives it some character. All right, and we're gonna pull down all the way to the bottom. And then I'm gonna pull up my piece of tape. And you know what? I like my piece of tape there. It kind of gives them a little place to stand. So I'm just gonna cut off the edge. Like I said, you can do whatever you want. And it's just a kind of fun little exercise, and it gives you a chance to paint, but with different things. So you can paint a picture, but you're not using paints at all. You're using all kinds of little stuff from around the house. You can cut up little pieces of paper and make a collage. But look, now we've got a fun little project. I think this turned out really great today. I'm so excited you were able to join me. Join us again for more fun. Bye.
If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and follow us on social media. Daniel Boone Regional Library.